If you want to know how to be healthy, or if you want to understand how the most important pathological condition in our species happens, you have to have some familiarity with some basic concepts of how our body system works. Welcome back to KMI Community Connect. This is Dr. Kota again with KMI Community Connect. Today I am going to be introducing a new term for our series that is going to be coming next, which is Metabolism Made Easy. This is the first introductory part of the next talk and the future talks that are going to be coming under Metabolism Made Easy. So I am going to be talking about certain important things. Before we start and talk, we have to familiarize with certain basic concepts so that we have a better understanding and insight into understanding what is going to happen for a normal person and what's the difference between a normal metabolism and abnormal metabolism. So to start with, let's first familiarize with the word metabolism itself. So what is metabolism? It's just another term that I've already put in here, which is storing and using. Storing is one part where the energy is stored, and when the body needs it, it is used later. So I would like you to understand this total, both put together, is metabolism, both storage and usage. So in other terms, if you look at it like a nice balance, whenever the body needs something, it is going to be using it. Whenever it doesn't need it, it's going to be storing it. So the general terms that we use when we say metabolism, which is a composite of both, you say that it's catabolism, that is when you are breaking it, the body is breaking, it's catabolism and it is being used for energy. And then when we are making it, we call it as anabolism, which is just storing. The most important primal hormone, like I said before, that is basically controlling all this is insulin, like we mentioned. And insulin, it says in classic, in every textbook, the main job of insulin is to stop the breaking or the usage of fat or energy. The main job of insulin is to store or make fat. So this is the basic concept in this introduction that I want you to understand before we move on to anything that happens further, like the energy that comes in the form of food, which we break down into various categories like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, which is all mixed in one. For our understanding, we say that if you want to know the fate of each of those substances that I just spoke about, the carbohydrate, protein and fat, what happens to that carbohydrate and what is the fate of that carbohydrate or the protein or the fat in a normal person, and what is the fate of that carbohydrate, protein or fat in an abnormal person or somebody who has a metabolic dysfunction, like diabetes or all other medical conditions that we talk about. It's very important for us to get a concept to understand and familiarize with certain terms. More importantly, the only thing that we need to stress and understand is insulin is the primary key hormone that works in conjunction with other hormones, including sex hormones. But insulin is the primary hormone. So we are going to focus a lot in our future talks of about metabolism made easy topics, primarily on insulin. Insulin is your friend if you respect it. Insulin can work against you if you don't respect it. So it's all about the balance that I showed, how to store and how to use this hormone by various things that we do. Finally, to conclude, I am going to be talking more on my first part of how the energy is stored by insulin in a normal person, which is anabolism. That is going to be coming up next soon in a few days. Our job here at KMI Community Connect is to translate the science of longevity to be accessible to each one of you, and our goal is to get you the best health information and science to you for a better understanding. Please look forward for our part 1 of Metabolism Made Easy. I will see you very soon. Thank you.